Hello everyone, my name is Mark. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market, and I'm going to share with you what I see on the chart. Stay with me, let's check them out. As always, we are going to start with Bitcoin on daily time frame. If you remember last week, which I told you Bitcoin is still on the uptrend, because I told you Bitcoin hasn't made a lower low after we had a drop about the 14 to 15% to the downside from $19,500 area to which about the 16.4k area. Actually, Bitcoin hasn't made a lower low. The previous low we had was about the $15,800 area, but the current low we have got is about the $16,400 area. And I told you Bitcoin hasn't made a lower low. As you can see on the chart, we still have got the 3 green candles on the daily time frame. I told you last week, because Bitcoin hasn't made because Bitcoin actually didn't break the previous low to the downside, didn't go lower than $15,800 area, Bitcoin is still on the uptrend. As you can see on the chart, we are going back to the upside, and it is really important for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you that one actually on other chart. What I told you before that one, when Bitcoin was going parabolic to the upside, I told you if Bitcoin wants to make a correction to the downside, the first support we have got is going to be the 20 moving average on the daily time frame, which happened. Actually, we did see a long shadow to the downside, but what we saw actually, all the candles on the daily time frame went back to the upside actually, and they closed the daily candle above the 20 moving average. And I told you if the 20 moving average is going to be breaking to the downside, the next support we have got is going to be the 50 moving average on the daily time frame, which is about at the moment $15,000 area. I'm going to show you another chart I have got in here. What I'm going to do, I'm going on the 4-hour time frame. It is really important for Bitcoin now. At the moment, I told you on the 4-hour time frame, actually Bitcoin broke the previous low we had about $17,700 area. Bitcoin broke this one to the downside, but actually the daily time frame is more important than the 4-hour time frame. Now what you can see in here, what do we have in here? If, as you can see on the chart, actually this zone was really important, which was about the $18,200 area. Bitcoin broke this one to the upside, and now Bitcoin is still struggling. As you can see, we have got the red trend line in here. As you can see, Bitcoin is struggling to break this one to the upside. If Bitcoin break above actually the $18,850 area, is going to be so bullish for Bitcoin, as everyone expecting at the moment to Bitcoin make a correction, make a bigger correction to the downside. Maybe what we can see on the Bitcoin, actually Bitcoin break this red trend line we have got working as a resistance at the moment, and this horizontal trend line we have got in the white color, actually which is about the $18,850 for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin break this one and stay above $18,850, I think it's really bullish for Bitcoin. And after that, what I'm expecting from Bitcoin, $21,250 actually, and after that I'm expecting about a $24,000 area for Bitcoin. As I told you for several times, Bitcoin is still playing inside of this broadening wedge actually we have got with the 2 orange line in here. But what Bitcoin did, actually didn't break the previous high we have got about a $15,800 area. Actually Bitcoin made a correction about the 14 to 15% to the downside, but now it's still going back up, and it looks like Bitcoin is going to break the previous high, which was about a $19,500 area to the upside. If Bitcoin can close above actually a daily candle above the $18,850 area, is going to be really parabolic for Bitcoin and bullish for Bitcoin. After that, maybe we are going to see the $24,000, $23,000 for Bitcoin very soon, maybe in December. The other chart for Bitcoin I'm going to show you, I'm going back on the daily time frame. As you can see on the daily time frame, what we have got in here, it looks like the 4-hour time frame I just showed you at the moment. This trend line, actually the white one, is working as a, it was working as a resistance and support. It was as a resistance and support, and now working as a resistance for Bitcoin at the moment. If Bitcoin break this one to the upside, is going to be really bullish for Bitcoin. After that, we are going to see another parabolic run from Bitcoin to the upside. And as everyone expecting a bigger correction to $14,000 area, maybe we are not going to see that one in the next few weeks or few months. Actually, after Bitcoin is going $24,000, maybe $30,000, after that maybe we are going to see a very big correction to $15,000 area again. But at the moment, as you can see on the chart, we have got the doji candle on the daily time frame. These two big shadow we have got on the daily candle, it's three actually. And after that, what we can see, we have got three big candles, green candles on the daily time frame. It looks really bullish for Bitcoin, as everyone expecting, I think, a really big correction to the downside. But what we can see, maybe we are going to see another huge run and parabolic run from Bitcoin to the upside. The other chart I'm going to show you, the monthly time frame for Bitcoin, as this monthly time frame is going to close tonight. Actually, if Bitcoin close a monthly candle tonight like this, which was from $13,800 area to $19,050 to $19,500 area, it is really bullish for Bitcoin, not for the next few weeks, but for the few months. Actually, in the January, February, March, I think Bitcoin is going to be really bullish, and it's going, at least maybe it's going to $30,000 in the next few months. The other thing I'm going to show you on the daily time frame actually is Ethereum. I told you last week Ethereum, it looks more bullish than Bitcoin. I told you because Ethereum broke the previous high to the upside actually, and the previous high was working as a support at the moment. And last week actually, when Ethereum broke it to the upside and had a correction to the downside, the previous high was working as a support for Ethereum, which was about the $490 area. And now what we can see in here, Ethereum is really bullish at the moment. I told you for Ethereum, I'm expecting $670 and $800 area for Ethereum. I told you we have got a really important zone area which was working as a support. It was about the $490 area for Ethereum, and now I'm expecting about the $800 Ethereum for in the next actually a week or 2 weeks. It is not that impossible. It's very likely for Ethereum to hit $800, maybe likely actually in the next 2 weeks, middle of December. The other coin I'm going to show you, actually it's really bullish, is ADA, Cardano. At the moment it looks like Cardano, we did make a long actually when Cardano was about 0.11, and we made about 450% profit with leverage times 10, and it looks bullish at the moment. I'm not going into any position at the moment, but it looks bullish for me, the Cardano. The other coin I'm going to show you is MKRUSD. It is really bullish for me as well, because this zone we have got in here was working as a support for MKR actually, and it is really bullish because the price is above that one. And as you can see on the chart, we have got the three daily candle in green. As you can see on this one, it is a bullish engulfing candle, which we had a red one, and the bullish engulfing candle in green for MKR. It is really bullish for me. I'm expecting this one to break the previous high we have got in here actually. I'm expecting this one to happen in the next week actually, and after that make a huge run to the upside. It is so likely for MKR. If I want to show you the total market cap as well, The total market cap including Bitcoin is going back above the crucial resistance, which I was talking about that for several times. And the total market cap excluding Bitcoin is really bullish as well. As you can see, we have got few green candles on the daily time frame. As you I want to show you the Bitcoin dominance as well. Bitcoin dominance, maybe we are going to see another bullish sign on the Bitcoin dominance to this area, and after that a correction to the downside. Silver, as I told you, it is going down. I told you I'm expecting a correction on silver to this area, which is about 18.8 dollars. Actually, it is happening. It's going down slowly, but I'm expecting to reach to this area, and this area might work as a support for silver. The S&P 500 is really bullish as well. As you can see, we have got the higher high, and the Nasdaq, I told you, if Nasdaq break this symmetrical triangle to the upside, it's going to be really bullish as well. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that fun, and if you have found the video helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much guys, and see you guys tomorrow.